Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's UPSC Toppers Copy Analysis, we are going to discuss All India Rank 20 UPSC 2024 Trilok Singh's answer copy. So let's go into the question which has been asked here. How can India's Citizen Charter be a powerful tool for improving governance and empowering citizens? And it's a 10-marker question, so we'll be given a maximum of 2 pages only to present the answer. And this topper has utilized the space management very well. And if you look at the question also here, there are only a single component in the question, and this particular question is picked from GS paper 2 governance segment of our syllabus. So let's now go into the answer writing technique of All India Rank 20 Trilok Singh's answer writing style. There is a clear introduction which is visible, and that has been written in 3.5 lines in a crisp manner. And followed by the introduction, there is a schematic approach which is looking very attractive. Not only that, he has addressed the definition of the citizen's charter in a very good manner. And while going into the body of the answer, so he is trying to address the two major components. That is, they are asking about to talk about governance and improving citizens. So it has been written in a subheading point-wise approach. So followed by a conclusion. Again, this has been written in 3 lines in a crisp manner. Overall, let's now go into the marking pattern. In the introduction, the stopper is talking about Citizen Charter was introduced by John Mayer in UK. Since then, it has become a transparency tool to enable good governance. So introduction is looking very attractive and very good because he is talking about the background and evolution of Citizen Charter. Then he is talking about the meaning. For that, he will be getting another 1 mark extra for this schematic diagram based approach. Not only that, if you look at the conclusion of Trilok Singh answer copy, Citizens Charter will help ensure government of the people, by the people, among the people, and within the people. So basically, he's trying to connect because then the question they are asking how it will empower citizens. So he's trying to link the context of the question in a very good manner. So he'll be getting the maximum 1 mark for this conclusion as well. And if you look at his body of the answer, it has been written in a clear, point-wise, and underlining the various usage of keywords such as Sevota model, institutionalization, vernacular languages, various stakeholders, and RPG guidelines. So almost he has used most of the keywords which can be related to governance component in our syllabus. And for the 7 points which he has written, he will be easily getting for each point half a mark. So 3.5 mark will be easily awarded for him. Not only that, what is very, very creative and attractive about this topper is putting a box and highlighting the case study related to Citizen Charter. Mayurbhanj Citizen Charter was good timeline and grievance redressal. For this Citizen Charter, especially this case study related linkage, this topper will be getting extra 1 mark. So overall, in this particular answer writing technique, this topper has got for the introduction 1 mark, followed by 1 mark for the meaning of the Citizen Charter, then conclusion 1 mark. So here he got 3 marks, and in the body of the answer 4.5 marks. So overall, he got 7.5 marks out of 10 marks. And I would say this is going to be one of the highest mark which we can fetch, especially in GS2 governance. The reason why I am asking students, those who are watching this video, to keep your attention on this answer copy is that if you look at the marks of All India Rank 20, Trilok Singh, he has got almost 851, even more than All India Rank 1, Shakti Dubey's marks in written. Only as missed in the personality test. And not only that, if you look at his marks in GS paper 2, out of 250 marks, he got 124, which comes around 6.5 to 7 marks per answer which he has got. That is why I am telling what is very, very creative we need to learn from this topper is the inclusion of case studies in our answer and trying to highlight to the examiner and the usage of schematic diagrams. Both of these are very creative and attractive component which is done by Trilok Singh. So what are the important learnings from today's video, especially related to governance component? Structure of the answer is important. So we need to write our answer with proper introduction, body and conclusion. And body of the answer can be written in subheading point-wise approach. And wherever possible, we should try to bring in flowchart or schematic diagrams to bring better representation for our answer. And not only that, we should try to address the question in a complete manner, and wherever possible, the inclusion of case studies also will bring more value addition for our answer to fetch maximum marks, especially related to GS paper 2 governance component. If you are trying to write governance answers, please try to incorporate the various terminologies, how this topper has utilized, and the inclusion of case studies. You can do homework and collect a lot of that so that you can include in your answers as well. And try to present your answers in a schematic approach or diagram wherever possible. All this will add more value to your answer and get the scope for maximum marks in the real examination. If you are having any doubts with respect to answer writing technique, you can contact us by joining the Telegram group which is given in the description box below. Thank you, students.